Welcome to Omron Services. Our global service network is here to support you throughout the entire lifecycle of your machines, from design to installation and maintenance. Our team of experts has extensive field experience and in-depth knowledge of the industry's leading technology. No matter what manufacturing challenges you face, we are here to guide you through them. Let's start with the design phase. Our consulting services can help you increase the productivity and safety of your production line. We can support you in environmental diagnosis, data science, plant readiness, rental equipment, simulation, technology training, proof of concept, financial services, or safety risk assessment. We can help you convert your ideas into feasible concepts tailored to meet your specific needs. When it comes to installation, our team can provide support to ensure that your automation solutions are connected with existing devices and machines. We offer adjustments, operator training, and technical support to fulfill your on-site installation requirements. And if your needs are more demanding, we can offer you cross-border, project management, and remediation services to make your solution fully operational. To sustain stable production, predicting maintenance activities is key. Our maintenance training and contracts will ensure you have the necessary tools to keep your production up and running. And if the unexpected happens, we can react quickly with our repair, analysis, and logistics services. From design to installation to the maintenance of your automation applications, Omron provides the services you need. Our experts are here to support you and tailor our services to meet your demand and sustainable development goals. Contact us today to learn more about how we can support your business.